So right now we're wide open to attack. Somebody can fill this in and nothing will stop it from being published. It will just be automatically published. And what you'll find in a situation like that is that bots will just hammer your site. At some point they'll find this form, they'll discover that it's working, and they'll just hammer it and post hundreds and thousands and tens of thousands of posts on your site that you'll have to clean up later on. So let's set up a first line of attack, which is adding a CAPTCHA. Now, most of us are familiar with an image form of CAPTCHA where we have to type in some warped text we see in an image, but a CAPTCHA can also be a question like, what is 4 plus 2? Or what's the capital of the United States? That type of thing. For our purposes here, we're going to set up an image CAPTCHA. So to do this, we'll need to download the CAPTCHA module. I'm going to install the CAPTCHA module in Drush, and then we'll open up the modules listings page in order to see the different modules that are part of the CAPTCHA bundle. Here's the information that you need in order to install CAPTCHA. I'm going to hop over to Drush and do it from there. Drush, DL, CAPTCHA, CAPTCHA. There's not an official release yet, so we're going to select the beta 2 version, which says it's supported. So I'm going to type 2. And you see it contains CAPTCHA and image CAPTCHA. Okay, now let's jump back to the browser where we're logged in and go to the modules page. And let's do a quick filter for CAPTCHA. So the base CAPTCHA allows us to add challenges in the form of questions to whatever form we want to. Right now we're targeting the comment form. We're also going to turn it on for our registration form because those are the two biggest targeted forms. And then image CAPTCHA provides the image-based CAPTCHA, where text is embedded in an image that can't easily be scanned by an automated system. Okay, so let's enable both of these. And then I'll go down and click Save Configuration.